Guys, ito na talaga yung hinihintay nyo sa lahat na naghahanap ng actual loob ng Anika model. Finally, maipapakita ko na sa inyo at ang maganda pa, ang likod nito may basketball court at playground. Perfect for families. Hi everyone, this is Jean, your trusted PRC accredited real estate salesperson. And today, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isang bank foreclosed Anika inner lot dito sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. At syempre, tulad ng ibang foreclosed units natin, no bidding. Kaya first come first serve kung sino unang mag-secure sa kanya na agad. Property details, Anika inner lot. Lot area 60 square meter. Floor area 50 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath plus powder room, 1 car garage. At ang pinaka-bonus dito, sa likod ng unit, meron kang basketball court at playground. Sobrang perfect sa mga may kids or kung gusto mo ng open space at hindi dikit sa bahay ang likod, mas presko, mas tahimik, mas sulit. Selling price is 2,345,000 only. Grabe for a Lancaster townhouse, super sulit. Payment terms, 20% down payment, 80% bank home loan. Mode of payment, PDC, manager's check, cash or bank home loan. Reminder lang po, bank fees and transfer of title are not included since bank foreclose po ito. Guys, as always, foreclose unit sa Lancaster mabilis na uubos. Kapag may nakita kang ganito kagandaan location, may open space sa likod at ready for home loan, huwag mo nang patagalin. Once may kumuha, wala na pong kapalit. Hindi po ito gaya ng developer na may availability pa. If gusto nyo makita ang actual unit or gusto nyo ng full computation, free house tour assistance available. Message us now before maunahan kayo. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!